Hey everyone, and welcome back to Plate on a Budget. Today we are making crispy cod bites with garlic parm fries. Let's get started. In a food processor, pulse about 15 Ritz crackers. This is going to give the breading a buttery taste. Add it to a shallow bowl with 1½ cups of panko crumbs, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, and the zest of a lemon. Whisk ingredients and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now mix it and set it aside. Here we have fresh cod that we've cut into 2-inch pieces. Now season the cod with salt and pepper. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Lightly beat 3 eggs that have been seasoned with salt and pepper. Now line your baking tray with parchment paper and set up your dredging station. Dip the cod into the egg mixture with wet hands, and then panko with dry hands. Press firmly into the breadcrumbs to ensure a good coverage. Now place the cod bites into the oven and bake for 12 to 13 minutes. In the meantime, cut russet potatoes into wedges and coat them with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chili flakes, and fresh chopped parsley. Now toss to coat. Now add the potatoes to the baking tray, making sure that they're in a single layer. Add them into the oven on 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. A great dip for the fries and the fish is ½ cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 3 tablespoons of grated Parm. Now mix well and add salt and pepper to taste. Refrigerate the dip. Now remove the potato wedges from the oven and toss in a cup of grated Parm. And there you have it, crispy cod bites and garlic parm fries. Perfect for a hearty lunch or dinner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. For full recipes and measurements, please head on over to plateonabudget.com. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.